All right. Now we're doing freeCodeCamp, JavaScript algorithms and data structures beta, learn form validation by building a calorie counter. Step 1. All right. So we've been provided with boilerplate CSS and HTML. However, we need to build our calorie counter form, right? We're going to feel free to explore the HTML and CSS. We will definitely do that. And then we'll add a form element and give it an ID set to calorie counter. All right. Now, honestly, I already counted it up in rehearsal. They could have made this 112. What are we on? What is this? Hold on. This is like 94, right? 98, 94. All right. They could have added the steps for us to do this. I mean, we need the practice, don't we? I think so. Anyway, so here's the HTML. We've got the head. We've got the meta char set. We got the name viewport width. We got the content equals width divides width comma initial scale equals 0. We've got the relationship is the style sheet for the link, and then the hypertext reference is the styles.css. So that's linking to this right here. We've got the title. We've got the closed head right there, and then we've got this body element right here. With a main and then an H1 calorie counter and then a div with a class of container right here. And now we're inside of this container class. And then for the styles.css, it's pretty much just making this blue or purple, whatever. And actually it's what is this? It's actually, what is this? What is this? This is something we've never done before, so we could have learned a little bit more about this because I know we've never done this. And then we've got the body, we've got the font family for this thing, I believe. No, maybe, yeah, Lotto. And then all this background color is FCC blue, which is this. Oh yeah, this is how you do the variables. Okay, yeah. And then this light gray. And then the H1, we've got the text align center container. It's got a width of 90, the max width of 680 pixels. We've got the H1, the container, and the output class are all going to have a margins of 20px auto. So 20px from the tops and bottoms, and then auto. So it's going to be centered. We got the label and the legend are going to have the bold font weights. All right. We've got input container is going to give us a display of flex and a flex direction of column. All right. We'll see what that is in a little while. We've got the button. We've got outline is none. All right. Cursor is pointer. Okay. Text decoration, none. All right. Background color is this light yellow color. And then the border is 2px solid and a dark yellow border. All right, cool. We've got the dot clear, which is going to have a light pink background. We don't know what that is. A color of dark red. And a border color of, so this is the text color, and then a border color of dark red as well. All right. We'll see what that is. Button input select. We've got min height equals, the minimum height is going to be 24 pixels for button input and select. Okay. I guess that's going to be the button heights, the minimum button heights. And then the color is going to be dark blue for those. Okay. Field set label button input and select are all going to have margin bottoms of 10 pixels. Output, whatever that is going to have a border of 2px solid with light gray. We're going to have 10 pixels of padding all around it. And then the text is all going to be in the center. We'll see what that is. Hide, all right, is going to be display none. Oh, cool, cool, cool. So we don't have to like do a display of none. We can just change something to hide. We'll see what this is. This is probably going to be a pretty slick move. We've got output and span. The span inside of the outputs are going to have bold weight, and then the font sizes are going to be 20% bigger than normal, I guess. And then we've got the surplus class. It's going to have a light green text color, and the deficit class is going to have a light pink color. Okay. Surplus, I wonder what all this is talking about. Surplus, deficit. I don't see it. I don't see all those dark reds and all. But at the same time, you know, I've got this, what is it called? I've got this screen darkener on. So who knows what it really looks like? I mean, you do, but I don't. I have no idea. In fact, with all these, I have no idea what they actually look like. Okay, let's get to it. All right, so now we're going to add a form element and give it an ID set to Calorie Counter. All right, so we'll do a form element, start up form, close form, and then we'll give it an ID of Calorie Counter. All right, so ID equals Calorie Counter. All right, so let's check the code. Looks good, and submit it. That's how you change a 30-second the 30-second video to a 5-minute video, guys. Just kidding. Anyway, let's now we're on to step 2, and we'll see you next time.